Google Widget Initializing problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Widget Initializing problem. So let's see the step. First of all, just go to settings, scroll down, click on apps option. Now click on apps management. Now click on search bar and search Google. Click on Google. Now scroll down, click on storage, click on clear data, click on delete. Now go back. Now search again Google Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Now scroll down, click on storage uses, click on clear cache. Now go back to home screen and see problem solved. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.